We're joined by Janno Lieber, Chair and CEO of Metropolitan Transportation Authority, or what we call the MTA. Janno, good morning. Thank you for spending time with us. I know that you are very busy at this point. What is the status of operations at this point?
Craig, the MTA in New York and the surrounding counties operates half of the mass transit in the United States of America. And this is an extraordinary weather event, but we are operating subway service. We have we have some adjustments to the frequency. We have some adjustments to, some lines are running local, not running on the express tracks. But even on the outdoor areas of the system, we are running subway service. You saw in your video that our buses are all, the tires are all being chained. We've taken some articulated buses out of service because they don't operate as well, but we're also operating local and express bus service. We have our commuter railroad that goes to the north, to Westchester and other northern counties, that's operating on a reduced service. And we had to take one of our services, the Long Island Railroad, out of service. We put it on suspension because, as your video just showed, Long Island is getting hammered. But the New York mass transit system is operating. This is a New York thing, and we like to just keep going, even through extreme events like this.
Yeah, no kidding. When you think about it, a lot of people could say, when are we going to get a big snowstorm? We got it. And before this one, we had one in January. So did that help you all get ready for this blizzard we're going through right now?
Absolutely, Craig. I mean, I talked to Governor Hochul about this yesterday. We operated through that first storm, and she said, just, do it again. And she asked, us to obviously emphasize to the workforce. We got 70,000 employees, thousands of whom are working on this, that we want to do as well or even better than we did last time when we did operate service. So we had a lot of support from the state of New York, from Governor Hochul, and our workforce has been amazing. So we've been able to keep it going even in this blizzard, and we're very proud of that.
Yeah, we appreciate all you're doing and all of the team out there. Now, people are asked to stay home, but essential workers have to get there. What advice would you have for them to get through the morning commute today?
It's just what you said, Craig. If you can remote work, if you can stay home, and especially if you have kids who are on snow day and they want to go sledding, do that. But if you have to get to work for whatever reason, the MTA is here for you. We got subways, we got buses, we got a lot of our commuter rail system, and just allow extra time. The bottom line is the frequency is going to be a little less than usual. Look at the MTA app. We got social media. We have an app. We have our website. All that information is available online, so you can time exactly when you want to make for your bus or your subway station.
Staffing, is that all okay? I know you got a lot to cover. I mean, it's massive. Are you guys doing okay with staffing and the hours?
Good question. Listen, we got workers who are coming in from some of these places which are getting hammered. So we're definitely, that workforce has been impacted. But there are a lot of people who came in and worked overnight and who stayed at the rail control center, at our bus command center, and people have been out on the roads all night. So our workforce has been unbelievable, and we're very proud of how they've performed under these difficult conditions.
We're proud of you, too. And power outages have been a concern. Are you guys prepped in case there is some kind of outage?
Yeah, I mean, in New York City, most of the power, the power is underground. It's protected. There are some isolated areas in the outlying regions where there are above-ground power lines that have been impacted. But that's more of a suburban issue than a New York City issue. So far, that has not been a big impact to our service, although some communities are feeling that power outages and thousands of people out.
All right. Well, listen, we appreciate your time. I know that you all are busy. Thank you to you and all of your staff for keeping us moving. That's Janno Lieber, Chair and CEO of the MTA. We appreciate you this morning. Best of luck to you, and thanks for all that you are doing out there.
You bet. Thank you, Craig.
You got it.